Hey honeyhews, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're sharing our top tips and tricks on how to look expensive and clean without breaking the bank. From fashion hacks to skincare routines, we've got you covered. So, let's get started and elevate your style game. Segment 1. Fashion hacks. Invest in timeless pieces. Learn how to build a capsule wardrobe with high-quality, versatile pieces that exude elegance. Dress for your body type. Discover how to accentuate your features and create a polished look that flatters your figure. Accessories can make or break. Get tips on how to accessorize like a pro and add a touch of sophistication to any outfit. Segment 2. Skincare and beauty. Glowing skin is key. Learn the secrets to achieving radiant, healthy-looking skin through a consistent skincare routine. Makeup for a polished look. Get expert advice on how to enhance your features with makeup and create a clean, elegant look. Segment 3. Lifestyle tips. Posture is everything. Discover the importance of good posture and how it can instantly elevate your appearance. Confidence is key. Learn how to own your style and exude confidence, making you look and feel more expensive. And that's it. With these tips and tricks, you'll be well on your way to looking expensive and clean without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on style, beauty, and lifestyle.